Hi everyone, I'm Irene Jaqués. I'm the team lead of Sanba Group. This group is composed of experienced professionals specialized in different fields of science and engineering, such as data science, software development, and geotechnical engineering. As a group, we oversee different lines of development, such as sensitivity analysis and back analysis, which constitutes an essential tool to better understand the real soil behavior during the execution of any geotechnical project. In tunneling, the main goal of which is to provide a methodology capable to predict with more precision the advance of a TBM during the excavation. And finally, the Sanba contribution to ground modeling is provide or to propose a 2D, 3D cross-section generator using the digitized borehole information.